welcome back to another video. I am in my dining room because today is the Nerf Rival Phantom Corpse haul. And this is 3 packages I actually spent my own money on. You're welcome. I had to do a lot of chores around the house. It just cost 51 bucks. So, to start off the haul, we've had this for a long time. It's the Nerf Helios. And I forgot to grab scissors. I am so unprepared. I'm so jumpy and ready for this video. Now I get to see my house. Please don't. Anyway, so all we need to do is grab these scissors and cut open. We all just did a lot of yard work preparing for Christmas. Guys, tell me in the comment section below what you do for Christmas. Like, how early do you prepare and everything? Time to grab the first thing. Here we have this bag, which I can't wait to see what it is. Let's dig in with the scissors. So we have this here, which I'm just gonna grab the scissors through. Oh, you don't need scissors for this actually. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, so first we have, I think this is, oh, okay, I got this on the mail. I think some of this isn't supposed to be for this. Oh my gosh, guys, Mama, thank you. Gloves, Harry Potter Slytherin gloves. Thank you. These came in the mail. Okay, hopefully this will be the first item that I humbly bought with a ton of money. 51 bucks. Just reminding y'all. This, oh, okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This should be, what is this? Made in China. Wow. Now, this isn't a big surprise to me what we got, but still. Oh my gosh, guys. We got some ammo. We got masks, sort of, at the end of the video, or maybe later. And we got something in here. Let's see what this is. It is a cool bag. Really cool bag. A really cool baggie. Oh, we got some safety glasses. Can never be too safe in battle. And ooh, we have a magazine that will come in handy. And I think this is a vest. Yeah. I actually got a vest for heavy protection against heavy enemy forces. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. Gathering the vest right now. Okay, guys, so throw this on. You just put it through there. Spread it out. And that's good. And you got these down here that you use. So under that, I'm gonna have to do this later. First item, a pretty good success and a pretty good start. Now time for the big, oh my gosh, guys. My mom super wanted to see this. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? I hate that ad. But Amazon, if you want to be one of my ads, I will gladly accept it. I just think that commercial was a little bit weird. And my brother is coming in. Say hi. Luke from a previous episode. Hello. That's the best. This is really big, guys. Big shout out to Amazon's 2-day delivery. Ha ha ha. Yes, I did this Monday. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Oh yeah, it's like a sort of mask to guard the under. And I'm probably gonna put that on under one of our other items. You can probably guess what it. Guys, here's the ultimate epic No touching. What are these?
I don't know. No! Wait, I need to go get Mama.
Go get Mama.
I think these are supposed to be for my birthday. Made for Christmas.
Well, it ain't no surprise anymore.
Mama!
Phantom Corpse mask. Imagine running into battle. Anyway, we have a sash. You'll see why in a little bit. Anyway. And finally, we have my sidearm. The Kronos. Pretty sure she's outside. Oh, this totally exposed everything we got for Christmas. Especially for my joints. There we go. Okay.
What is not stuff you order?
Sorry about that. Anyway, so we gotta get this Rival. We got these cool stuff, which we will work with later. We got the Kronos here. And we have the sash, which we will now be opening and unboxing. Anyway, so let's get the sash off. And guys, I'm gonna get all this on off camera, and so y'all will see how it looks in a little bit.